Good morning. I'm going to put this up for bid on eBay, and what I want to show you here first of all is I think one of the biggest problems most amateur machinists have on small homeowners type lathes like the little Logans and South Bends and etc. is parting. So here's a typical setup. So we have an Aloris AXA tool post holder, and we have their parting attachment that of course just slides on it like so and then locks down with the lever. Alright, the problem with all of this is here's your center point when you mount this thing up on your lathe, on your cross feed. Alright, and clear out here 3 inches or so to the left sets your blade. So as you're running this thing, it's trying to flex this way, and it flexes this way. Of course, I've got this blade hang out just way out there just to show you what kind of advantage it could have. So between this thing rocking this way and rocking this way, it sets up a chatter pattern. And after you once set that chatter up, you're just about done, because it's really tough to get rid of it. You might be able to do it, you know, with taking a very, very fine cut until it disappears. Alright, so basically I stole someone's idea off of YouTube, and this person did an excellent job of building what I consider to be an excellent tool post holder. And what they did is they used a 7/8 inch by 5 inch or 6 inch standard cutoff tool. Alright, and then they went ahead and built a block that it sets in and mounts to the lathe. Now the nice part about this is that it mounts directly to where your tool post holder goes, and the blade itself sits on the top here, and it simply sandwiches them, and I mean it's rock solid. Now I'm going to show you this thing a little bit in reverse because I already have it squared up, and we've got a piece of 1 inch aluminum bar stock in here. So here we go. I'm going to do this on auto feed. Hopefully I don't get my arms in the way too bad. And as you notice, there's no chatter, no vibration, and I didn't go to the trouble to really tighten the gibs up, but this is just how nicely it works. So I guess you don't need to watch all this go through, but it does a great job. Now this is actually set up for a Logan 920. It's 11 inch. I'm sure it'll fit many others. But anyway, there you go. That's all there is to it. So we back this out, and now I'll loosen it up and show you what the piece actually looks like. Alright, now this was, you probably won't be able to see it, but it's 1/8 by 1.125" by 6.5 inch blade. And to get it down to the approximate height I needed, meaning where it sets flat on top of here and reaches the center here, it's about 1 inch. Now of course that's, you know, I don't think that was one of the precision things that Logan ever thought about, was from this machine to the next 920 and to the next one and etc., if that was all the same. But anyway, it's very close. So this was ground on the bottom, and it simply if you can see the profile here, this hangs out, has a recess cut in here for the profile of the blade to fit into, and simply in fact all of this will come with it, the bolt, the piece that goes in here, and etc. So you'll be getting the whole unit ready to bolt down to, I would guess, most Logan lathes, and you would have to kind of figure out what your height was to center, but it's around 1 inch. The last thing I'll show you, you may or may not be able to see that, but that was the gentleman's drawing, and this just gives you the approximate measurements and etc. So with that said, if you like it, it'll be on eBay. I made 2 of them, by the way, so I'm going to keep one and sell one. Later.